If you're experiencing login issues on PeoplePerHour, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or accidental spaces. Step 2. Reset your password. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions and attempt to log in once more. Step 5. Contact support. If you are still unable to log in after trying the above steps, reach out to PeoplePerHour's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details of your issue for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues on PeoplePerHour. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from the support team.